As mentioned from our previous video, we're gonna repot this, but let me show you an update of our lithops. They are looking very cool and healthy. Okay, so now let's repot this. There, I'm just gonna remove all the tapes in here. I'm gonna post the video. Okay guys, we have 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16, and out of 16 we have 2 graft that was attacked by pest. Look at this. Look, from the outside it looks very healthy, but inside, look, it's like, look at those black poop, maybe from nematodes. So here's another one. From the outside it looks healthy, but from the inside it looks rotten. See, can you see? There. So, but most of it looks very healthy. There's no sign of rot. All healthy tissues. So I'm gonna repot this. So since this is totally dry, I'm gonna spray it with liquid fertilizer and rooting hormone to encourage it to grow faster and grow roots. So I'm gonna do all of this. I'm just gonna show you of the update from our propagation. Let's go. Here's our propagation area, and it's getting more and more here. And a neighbor even asked us if we are selling this, but we said we are selling it, but not for now. We have to grow it first before they can buy, and we have to make the roots established first before we can sell this. Otherwise they'll get angry why we are selling them plants without roots. Here are some updates from my wife's succulent and cactus arrangement. Looking pretty. Here's another one. Yeah, looking pretty too. Okay, on our next video we're gonna find some succulent that needs our help there. See you.